10 things you must know before moving to Scotland. Scotland looks like a dream, rolling hills, historic streets, and that quiet sense of escape. But living there, that's a different story. Beneath the beauty, there are realities most people only discover after they've already packed their bags. Some are surprising, some are challenging, and one in particular catches almost everyone off guard. If you're thinking about relocating, this could save you from a costly mistake. Because by the time we reach number 1, you might see Scotland in a completely different light. 10. The weather is more unpredictable than you expect. One minute it's bright sunshine, the next it's wind and rain hitting sideways. Scotland's weather isn't just cold, it's unpredictable. You could leave the house under blue skies and be caught in a sudden downpour before lunch. In places like Glasgow, locals joke you can experience 4 seasons in a single day. Summers are generally mild, often between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, but they can feel cooler due to wind. Winters are not always extreme, but the damp cold can feel sharper than expected. The key isn't just warm clothes, it's adaptable layers. It's not unbearable, but it requires adjustment, and that's just the beginning. 9. Daylight hours can feel extreme. Scotland's position far north means daylight patterns can feel dramatic. In summer, especially in June, the sun rises early and sets late. In cities like Edinburgh, you might still see light in the sky close to 11 p.m. But winter flips the script. Days can feel short, with darkness arriving as early as mid-afternoon. For some people, this shift can feel surprisingly intense. Experiences vary depending on location, but the contrast is noticeable almost everywhere. It's something many don't think about until they live it, and it changes your daily rhythm more than you'd expect. And once your routine shifts, other parts of life begin to feel different too. 8. Housing can be competitive in popular areas. Finding a place to live isn't always straightforward. Cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow have seen rising demand, especially in central neighbourhoods. That means rental properties can go quickly, sometimes within days. In Edinburgh, it's not unusual for multiple people to apply for the same flat. Prices are generally lower than London, but they've been increasing steadily. Scotland remains more affordable than some parts of the UK, though costs are rising in cities. Outside major urban areas, things can be more relaxed, but job access may become more limited. So where you choose to live matters more than you think. 7. Transport works well, but not everywhere. Public transport in Scotland can be reliable, especially in larger cities. Buses and trains connect major areas, and commuting within cities like Glasgow is usually manageable. Train tickets can be cheaper if booked early, which is something many newcomers quickly learn. However, once you move into rural areas, options become more limited. Some villages may only have a few bus services a day. Transport is generally reliable in cities but more limited in rural areas. Difference can shape your lifestyle in ways you might not expect, and it becomes even more important when you consider work. 6. Job opportunities depend heavily on location. Scotland offers strong opportunities in sectors like healthcare, education, finance, and energy. Cities like Edinburgh have a growing financial sector, while Aberdeen is known for energy-related industries. But outside major cities, job options can narrow quickly. Smaller towns may offer fewer roles, especially in specialised fields. Remote work has changed things slightly, giving more flexibility, but it's still something to think about before moving. Many people still love living there despite these challenges, but planning ahead makes all the difference. Because once you settle, your day-to-day costs start to matter. 5. The cost of living is rising, but still manageable. Compared to London, Scotland can feel more affordable. Rent, groceries, and general expenses are often lower, especially outside major cities. But costs have been rising, particularly in urban areas. Energy bills, food prices, and rent have all seen increases in recent years. That said, many people find they can maintain a comfortable lifestyle, especially when compared to other parts of the UK. Scotland remains more affordable than some parts of the UK, though costs are rising in cities. It's a balance, and one that becomes clearer over time. 4. Healthcare is accessible but not always instant. Healthcare is a major advantage. Most NHS care is free at the point of use, though some services like dental or eye care may involve charges. This can be a big relief for people moving from systems where healthcare is more expensive. However, waiting times can vary depending on demand and location. Non-urgent appointments may take time, especially in busier areas. Overall, the system is reliable and widely trusted, but patience is sometimes part of the experience, and once you're settled, you'll start to notice something else entirely. 3. The pace of life is slower than you think. Life in Scotland often moves at a calmer pace, especially outside major cities. Shops may close earlier, streets feel quieter, and there's less of the constant rush found in larger global cities. For many, this is a major advantage. It creates a sense of balance and space. For others, it can take time to adjust, especially if you're used to fast-moving environments. Work-life balance can be better compared to some countries, but it depends on your job and lifestyle. It's not just a change of location, it's a shift in how life feels, and that shift becomes even more noticeable socially. 2. People are friendly, but it takes time to settle in. Scotland is known for its welcoming people. Locals are often warm, helpful, and quick to offer a conversation. But building deeper friendships can take time, especially in smaller communities where people have long-established social circles. Once connections form, they tend to be strong and lasting. It's not about being closed off, it's about relationships developing gradually. Experiences vary depending on location, but patience often leads to genuine connections. And when those connections grow, Scotland starts to feel less like a place and more like home. But there's still one thing most people underestimate. 1. It's not just a move, it's a complete lifestyle change. Moving to Scotland isn't just about changing where you live, it's about changing how you live. From the weather and daylight to the pace of life and community feel, everything can feel different at first. Even small routines like shopping hours or commuting may not match what you're used to. For some, it's exactly what they've been searching for. For others, it takes time to adapt. Many people still love living there despite these challenges, but the key is understanding that this isn't just a relocation, it's a lifestyle shift. And once you embrace that, everything starts to fall into place. Scotland offers beauty, opportunity, and a unique way of life, but it comes with realities that can't be ignored. If you understand them before you arrive, the experience becomes far more rewarding. And if this opened your eyes, there's more to discover about life in the UK just ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.